you that. Well, you were young then, and you're stupid now. Your mom and me dropped you off there every Wednesday afternoon while we tuned up our marriage.
Turn here.
Oh, you just love to tell me what to do.
We come here every week and you get lost.
Please stop fighting. Oh, you would just love it if we did that, wouldn't you? He'll take a small soda and sit there for 50 minutes.
Hey, kid, have a chili dog on the house.
If we split up, no one gets Homer. That's when I started eating my emotions.
Oh, you poor guy.